will I be able to do it under 1 minute without using the pen? Will I be able to do it in, let's say, 2.5 minutes, 1 to 2.5 minutes after using the pen? Or will I take more than 2.5 minutes, or I don't understand this question at all? The first layer at the time of practicing quant should all practicing quant or practicing DILR should always be, in what time frame do I expect to be able to do this question? Not in VARC, because in VARC you need to read the from top to bottom with a lot of care and attention in order to reach a point where you can make that judgment. But in quant and DILR, and when I say that judgment has to be made, that judgment should not be made on time. This question is from time and work. I'm usually good at time and work questions, so I should definitely attempt this in round 1. Or I'm not very good at PNC questions, so let me leave it for later. That should not happen. What I'm talking of round 1, round 2, round 3, you can potentially see in the how to do analysis for QA section video. I mentioned what I mean by round 1, round 2, round 3. And after the test, one other input that I wanted to give, after the test, let's say you've gotten a question right. People tend to skip over those questions that they've gotten right because they feel, yaar, ye jab ho hi gaya, to fir isme kya hi seekhne ko milega. You might just, in 90% of the cases, your solution is going to be as efficient, if not more, than the official solution given. But in 10% of the cases, there will be solutions. Even when your answer is right, there was a smarter way, there was a more efficient way of learning. So you should go back and make sure that you watch, you look at all the solutions of questions you've gotten correct. It will increase your analysis time by roughly, say, 15-20 minutes. But the potential for growth there is immense, and therefore skipping it over and not taking into account the answers or solutions for questions that you've gotten right is not ideal.